is Amanda Oakleaf. I am owner, head baker, decorator of Amanda Oakleaf Cakes in Winthrop, Massachusetts, where we do cupcakes, custom cakes, wedding cakes, birthday cakes, anything you can think of, we can make it into a cake. And today I will be talking to you about baking cupcakes. So we're going to make rainbow cupcakes, and for that we're going to start with a white cake as our base. And we're going to mix it in two separate bowls. One bowl is going to have egg whites whipping into a meringue, and then the other bowl is going to make the cake batter. You can start the mixer on a medium and add the egg whites. We have 1 cup of egg whites. Once it reaches soft peaks, we're going to add the 1/2 cup of sugar and continue whipping it until it gets to stiff peaks. In the meantime, we can get the other ingredients ready in the other bowl. We have 6 ounces of butter at room temperature and 1/2 tablespoon of salt and 2 cups of sugar. When the egg whites are done, they'll be stiff peaks, which means it'll hold its shape when you turn them upside down. They're nice and stiff. So once those are done, we don't want the egg whites to sit for too long. They'll get spongy. So we immediately want to do our butter and our sugar mixture. Start it on low. And then we're going to add the vanilla, which is 1 teaspoon. And let that whip until the butter and the sugar are nice and fluffy. And then we're going to combine our dry ingredients. We have 3 1/3 cups of cake flour. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar. And that will help to stabilize the egg whites. And then we're going to do a 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. And you can whisk them together. And then we're going to add the milk, 1 cup, and the flour alternately into the sugar mixture. A little bit of flour, a little bit of milk. Okay, and mix just until the flour is incorporated. And then we're going to fold in the egg whites by hand. And you want to stir it until there's no more lumps of egg whites. Otherwise, if you bake them with a lump of egg whites in the batter, the egg whites bake out and you'll have a hole in the cake. And we're going to divide the batter between our 6 bowls. That will give us our 6 colors. So a couple drops in each one until it reaches the color that you want. And then you can use whatever colors you want, but if we're going by the rainbow, red, yellow, orange, green, blue, purple. Okay, so those are our colors. And you can start with either one end or the other, it doesn't matter. And you want to do 1 scoop in the bottom. You don't want to put too much in. A 1/2 tablespoon is just about right. Keep you 1/2 tablespoon because we have 5 other colors to get to. They should make about 2 dozen cupcakes. So now that you got them all filled, just give them 1 more tap. That'll help spread out the colors a little bit. And we're just going to bake them at 350 for about 15 minutes. And to check for doneness, take a toothpick in the middle of the cupcake, and if it comes out clean or with a couple small crumbs, it's fine, it's done. If it has gooey batter on it, you want to put it back in the oven for another 3 minutes or so. And that's rainbow cupcakes.